welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we'll be doing an Happy Halloween collab with Irma Guzman over on her channel. My name is Atoya, and on this channel you'll get inspiration and motivation to do something throughout your day. We do DIYs, we do cleaning motivations, we do anything that a family does, we do, okay? And in this video, me and my friend here, this Jack guy, you see him? We'll be giving you a front area cleanup and decorating for Halloween. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscription box below. Thank you for joining us today. And thank you to Irma for doing this collab with me. I really appreciate it. Once again, love you girls to life and back. Y'all be blessed and see y'all soon. Okay, you guys, welcome to DAT Family 5, the channel that loves life and having fun, to give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Before we get too much into this video, I'm gonna go ahead and let Irma go ahead and introduce herself in this intro, starting now.
Hey guys, so my name is Irma. I'm a stay-at-home mother of 4. I have 2 girls and 2 boys, and we are based here in California. Over here on my channel, I like to share cleaning motivation as well as home decor and decorating videos in hopes to inspire and motivate you guys each time you visit one of my videos. So I want to first off start saying thank you so much to Atoya for collaborating with me for today's video, which we are doing a Halloween. But I just wanted to share a little bit more of what my house looks like. I am more in the European farmhouse style. If that's something you guys are interested in, I'd love to have you guys come on over and check out more of my videos. But like I mentioned, we are doing a Halloween collab. So I hope to inspire you with this PG rated Halloween decor that we do here in our home. Just a little touch of Halloween, not going really crazy for Halloween, but I hope to inspire you and give you guys motivation if you guys are in need for some of that. So once you guys are done watching Atoya's channel, don't forget to go ahead and check out the description box down below to go ahead and click the link to my channel, and I hope to see you all over in my video.
Shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh. Make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is.
Alright, you guys, my name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. I am a working mother. I go to school, and I said working 3 times because I have YouTube, I have the YMCA, and I have my medical job of being a medical assistant. I'm going to school for healthcare administration. I'm getting my bachelor's in that so that I can go ahead and start getting my master's in science for physician assistant. So yeah, we got a lot going on this side, but I'm still trying to do, you know, what I love to do and be creative in all things in life, and one of those things is being a YouTube creator. So I really hope y'all enjoy this creation that we have created for you, and I really hope that you enjoy enough to go ahead and turn that red subscription box to gray and join the family. And yeah, I can't wait to talk to y'all at the end of the video. Y'all be blessed.
Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me passion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Okay, you guys, as this video is coming to a close, I want to thank you so much, Irma, for doing this collab with me. Halloween collab. I'm so happy that Halloween is here. It means we're closer to my birthday, y'all. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to like this video, for we are the family that loves life and having fun, giving you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We're sailing to peace out, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.